Imagine a world where machines can create, not just assemble or calculate, but truly. This isn't science fiction. This is the dawn of generative AI, a revolution in artificial intelligence already upon us. Generative AI is like giving a computer a paintbrush, an instrument, or a pen. We're not just telling it what to do, we're teaching it to express itself, to be creative in ways we never thought possible. It can compose music, write stories, even design buildings. The possibilities are as limitless as the human imagination. This technology is young, yet its potential is awe-inspiring. Join us as we journey into the heart of generative AI. We'll explore its inner workings, its history, and its impact on our world. At its core, generative AI is about patterns. Just like our brains find patterns in the world, so too do these algorithms. But instead of recognizing faces or objects, they learn patterns in data. Imagine feeding a computer millions of pictures of cats. It wouldn't just see the cats, it would understand of a cat fluffy ears, a twitching tail, those mesmerizing eyes. This deep learning allows generative AI to create something entirely new, a cat we've never seen before, but undeniably perfectly feline. The same principle applies to music, text, even scientific data. Generative AI takes what it learns and weaves something fresh and exciting. It's a new form of creation born from the marriage of data and algorithms. The seeds of generative AI were sown long ago. Think of Ada Lovelace's work on mechanical computation, or Alan Turing's dream of machines that think. These pioneers laid the foundation. Fast forward to the 1950s, we see the birth of the first neural networks. Primitive, yes, but they held the promise of mimicking the human brain. Progress was slow but steady. Then came the 21st century and everything changed. Computing power exploded. Data became abundant. Suddenly those early neural networks blossomed. We saw the rise of models like GPT-3, DALL-E, and Stable Diffusion. These weren't just tools, they were creative partners. Today, generative AI is evolving at an astonishing pace. What was once a dream is now reality, and this is just the beginning. Let's step into the world where generative AI is already making waves. Imagine a musician collaborating with an AI to compose a symphony. The AI suggests melodies, harmonies, even entire movements, or a novelist struggling with writer's block. Generative AI steps in, offering plot twists, character descriptions, and sparkling dialogue. The story comes alive, infused with new energy. In the art world, we see painters using AI to generate breathtaking landscapes and abstract masterpieces. Architects collaborate with AI to design buildings that are both functional and beautiful. These are just a glimpse into the creative potential of generative AI. It's not about replacing human artists, but about empowering them with new tools for expression. Section 5, Beyond Art, Generative AI in the Real World. The impact of generative AI extends far beyond the realm of art and creativity. Let's journey into the heart of industries being transformed. In healthcare, imagine AI analyzing medical images with superhuman accuracy, detecting diseases early, developing personalized treatments, and accelerating drug discovery. In manufacturing, robots guided by AI could design and build complex products with incredible precision. Imagine factories that adapt to changing demands, producing goods customized to individual needs. The financial sector could benefit from AI-powered fraud detection systems and algorithms that predict market trends with uncanny accuracy. The possibilities are truly boundless. Section 6. A day in the life of generative AI. Imagine waking up in the year 2025. Your personalized AI assistant greets you, its voice synthesized to perfection. It has already scanned the news, tailored to your interests, and prepared a summary. You head to the kitchen. Your AI has planned a delicious and healthy breakfast based on your dietary needs and preferences. As you sip your coffee, you ask it to compose a poem for your partner's birthday. It crafts a beautiful sonnet full of love and warmth. At work, you use AI tools to analyze data, generate reports, and even write code. In your free time, you explore virtual worlds created by AI, filled with breathtaking landscapes and fascinating characters. This is just a glimpse of how generative AI could weave itself into the fabric of our everyday lives, making our routines smoother, our work more efficient, and our leisure time more enriching. Section 7. The promise and the peril looking ahead. The future of generative AI is a tapestry woven with threads of both promise and peril. We stand at a crossroads, and the choices we make today will determine our destiny. On one hand, we have the potential to unlock solutions to some of humanity's greatest challenges. Imagine using AI to combat climate change, cure diseases, and alleviate poverty. The possibilities are awe-inspiring. With great power comes great responsibility. We must tread carefully, addressing the ethical concerns surrounding bias, job displacement, and the potential misuse of this powerful technology. Section 8. Ethical considerations, navigating the labyrinth. As we venture deeper into the age of AI, we must confront the ethical dilemmas it presents. These aren't hypothetical scenarios confined to science fiction, they are real challenges we face today. The datasets used to train AI algorithms can reflect and amplify existing biases. We must ensure that these systems are fair, equitable, and do not perpetuate harmful stereotypes or discrimination. The potential for job displacement is another pressing concern. As AI becomes more sophisticated, we must find ways to retrain workers and create new opportunities in this evolving landscape. And then there's the potential for misuse. Generative AI could be used to create incredibly realistic deepfakes, spread misinformation, and manipulate public opinion. We must establish safeguards and regulations to prevent such malicious applications. Section 9. The future canvas, a world painted by AI. We stand at the precipice of a new era, an era where machines can augment and amplify human creativity. Generative AI is more than just a technological advancement, it's a profound shift in our relationship with technology. Imagine a world where AI helps us unlock new scientific discoveries, compose breathtaking symphonies, and write novels that move the soul. A world where creativity knows no bounds. The future canvas is vast and undefined. It's up to us as a society to wield this powerful tool wisely, to ensure that AI is used for good, to empower humanity, and to create a future where technology serves us all. The possibilities, much like the cosmos itself, are infinite. Let us explore them together with wisdom, curiosity, and a deep sense of responsibility.